It's a stub. A stubby stub. A stubby stub that smells stubby. Ooh, Delta Belly. Even though it's nothing special. If anything, it's special to not have a Delta Belly these days. Like if I saw a Delta Belly-less A321, that'd be special. Indeed. What's it gonna be? Oh, it's a little CRJ. Obviously, because I started filming. Oh, yeah. And we have a 757. Once again with a Delta Belly that's not that special, so I'm gonna stop acknowledging it as if it's special. And on the left bank. And it's straightened out now. Let's see if there's anything on the north side that's notable for now. But doesn't really look like it at the moment. Nope, nothing. Nothing at all. Maybe if I wait a little longer. After all, it is July the 2nd, not July the 4th, but July the 2nd. Or July 3rd, like it was last year. Alright, there's a train moving over here. That's special. Great. Ah, it's a Spirit! A319. Under the sun, which, ironically, I can actually see it now. Unfortunately, I was a little bit late to bloom on that one. ERJ 175 LR. Away it goes. I can once again ironically see it now. And away it goes. Never to be seen again. At least by me. Today. I'll probably see it tomorrow. Once again, another 757. Here comes the clouds. Here come the clouds. Oh wow, that's a wimpy looking cloud. It's gonna go away after a second. It's even still sunny over here. Fortunately for me, it's not.